All right, this is an unboxing of the Apple Vision Pro with M5 chip. So let's go. All right, so we see the dual knit band. You have the cover, which appears to be the same as the first edition. We have the light seal cushion, light seal. This will be based on the sizing as to what size you get. Let's see. And this is where the counterweight is in this back strap. Let's keep going. Designed by Apple in California. And by the way, this is produced and it's put together in Vietnam. So we have another light seal cushion. All right, let's keep going here. We have the battery, same as the original Apple Vision Pro. We have a USB-C charging cable. And it does come with a USB-C power adapter. Let's see what's in here. All right, so we have the infamous Apple polishing cloth. Apple Vision Pro. What's in the box? Quick tour. How do you tighten the dual knit band? And that is it. So this is the Apple Vision Pro with M5 chip.